Most people get into trading because they want to win. They want to be right. They want to beat the market. But here's the truth. The more you try to win, the more you lose. The more you try to be right, the more often you're wrong. This isn't motivational fluff. This is the core psychological paradox that destroys most traders. Today I'm going to show you exactly why trying to win is the very thing that makes you lose, and why letting go is the only path to true trading success. Let's start with why your brain is working against you. Humans evolved to survive, not to trade. Your brain is wired to avoid pain, seek certainty, and do everything it can to feel in control. In the wild, being wrong could mean death. Mistake a snake for a stick, you're dead. Fail to catch food, you starve. Evolution favoured those who acted fast, avoided uncertainty, and sought safety in winning. And guess who handled those emotions? Your amygdala, the fear centre of the brain. It lights up when you feel uncertain, when you take a loss, when you're not in control. In trading, your entire environment is one giant trigger for that part of your brain. You sit at your desk and watch a chart. Every tick is potential loss. Every trade feels like judgment day. The market doesn't give you certainty. It gives you probability. And your brain hates that. It wants to know if it will win. It wants to be right. So you force trades. You close winners too early. You chase after losers. You keep thinking, maybe this time I'll win. And the market doesn't care. Here's the painful part. Most traders blow up not because they lack a good system, but because they can't let go of the need to win. It's like showing up to a casino and trying to control the dice. You can't. And then the internet makes it worse. You get sold on 90% win rate systems, or people flaunt profits and say, just follow the plan. But no plan works if your brain melts every time a trade goes red. They don't tell you that even great traders lose 40% of the time, sometimes more. Losses aren't a glitch in trading. Losses are the cost of doing business. But your subconscious doesn't understand that. It sees losing as failure, as danger. And unless you rewire that belief, you will keep sabotaging yourself, no matter how good your system is. I've been there. Overtrading, revenge trading, not taking valid setups, watching perfect trades run without me because I hesitated. I knew my strategy, I knew what to do, but I couldn't follow through. Why? Because deep down, I still feared losing. I still needed to be right. My brain wasn't aligned with my goals, it was stuck in survival mode. In every other area of life, sales, sports, business, you're told to fight, grind, hustle and win. But trading flips that on its head. The more you try to win, the tighter you grip the outcome, the more emotional you get. And the more emotional you get, the worse you perform. Trading requires you to detach, to show up like a surgeon, precise, calm, emotionally neutral. The goal is not to win every trade. The goal is to follow your process over and over again, regardless of outcome. So how do you do it? How do you rewire a brain that evolved to fear loss? You don't do it with willpower, you do it with consistency, intentional mental training and emotional rewiring. Here's what's worked for me. Daily visualization. Seeing myself follow my plan without emotional reaction. EMDR therapy. Processing the fear and pressure tied to money and loss. Pre-market routines. Priming my mind like an athlete before game time. Journaling and post-trade reviews, not just for stats, but to track emotional patterns. You can't fix what you don't understand, and you can't master what you won't train. This is mental conditioning. And it works. True trading mastery isn't about winning, it's about letting go of the need to win and trusting that the edge will play out over time. That's how you win, let go, and trade free. On this channel, I will be sharing everything I've used over the years to rewire my own mind. Don't forget to subscribe if you're looking for real tools to help you get out of the vicious cycle of self-sabotage.